Step 1. Use an electric screwdriver to remove the front cover screws. 2 on each side, 4 on the front. And open the front cover. Step 2. Use tweezers to loosen the terminal. Pull out the wire, and then pull out the wire connected from the display.
Step 3. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motherboard, and then remove the main board. Step 4. Use a screwdriver to fix the new main board on the front cover. Step 5. Clamp the terminal slightly with needle nose pliers. Plug in the wires, thick first, then thin, first red, or brown, and then blue. Finally, attach the wires that connect to the display. Step 6. Reinstall the front cover.